Hello, today we will guide you through how to get a Jira certification. To begin, open the Atlassian Community Learning page in your browser. This is the main place where Atlassian shares learning resources, training options, and certification pathways. Once the page loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so it's easier to find the certification section. Next, scroll down the page until you see the area labeled Get Certified with Atlassian. This section is designed to help users discover official certification options. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling steadily, since it may appear farther down depending on your screen size or browser zoom settings. When you find that section, click Get Certified. This will take you to the Certifications area, where Atlassian organizes its available credential options. From there, you'll be able to explore certification paths based on product knowledge and experience level. On the Certifications page, click View All Associate Certifications. Associate certifications are typically a good starting point if you're building foundational knowledge in Jira and want to earn an entry-level credential. This page helps narrow your focus so you can choose the certification that best matches your goals. After that, click. Learn more on the certification that fits what you're looking for. This will open a detailed page for that specific Jira certification where you can review what the exam covers and what kind of preparation may be helpful before you register. Once you're on the certification details page, choose Start Preparing for Free if you want to begin with the available preparation materials. This is a useful option if you'd like to study first, understand the exam topics, and build confidence before committing to a test date. You may find learning resources that help you understand the format and expectations more clearly. If you're already ready to move forward, click Schedule your exam instead. This option takes you closer to the registration process so you can select the next available steps for booking your certification exam. Finally, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the process. The exact screens may vary slightly, but the system will guide you through the remaining actions needed to prepare or schedule successfully. Read each page carefully before continuing, and make sure the certification you selected is the one you want before confirming anything. That's it. You've now seen how to find a Jira certification, review the available associate options, start preparing, or move ahead with scheduling your exam.